Hello, and welcome to GeoTruth. Today we're going to look at the moon on October 11th, 2023. On October 11th, 2023, the moon is in its waning crescent phase. On October 11th, 2023 at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, around 0554, which is 5:54 a.m., pictures and videos of the moon were taken using Nikon P1000 camera. We'll observe the pictures and videos taken with the camera and compare them with mainstream science graphics of the moon. Using the astronomical data from the United States Naval Observatory altitude and azimuth of the Sun and Moon during one day, we will first locate the actual Sun and Moon's locations on the Earth when the Nikon P1000 pictures were taken. We will locate the Moon's coordinates first. The first row in the table shows the Moon's altitude is 90 degrees or directly above at plus 10.91 latitude and minus 4.51 longitude. We will use these coordinates to locate the moon on the circular level plane Gleason's map. On October 11th, the moon is 10% illuminated. The first row on the table shows the sun's altitude is 90 degrees or directly above at minus 7.00 latitude and plus 28.16 longitude. We use these coordinates to locate the sun on the circular level plane. The moon is shown as a white circle and is located at plus 10.91 latitude and minus 4.51 longitude on the circular level plane Gleason's map. The sun is shown as a yellow circle and is located at minus 7.00 latitude and plus 28.16 longitude on the circular level plane Gleason's map. Let's compare the locations of the sun and moon from September 29th to October 11th. Between September 29th and October 11th, the sun continues to get closer to the moon. Mainstream science always depicts the moon as a spherical mass which reflects light. However, based on our observations of the moon's lunar cycle from September 29th to October 10th, we can conclude the moon is a light and has no visible mass, or light no longer exists. The following Nikon P1000 pictures and videos will again verify this on October 11th. Again, we observe all of the unlit area of the moon is invisible and we see nothing but darkness where there was light. From September 29th to October 11th, we have seen the moon go from 100% illumination to 10% illumination, which means the moon has lost 90% of its full light capability. Where the moon has lost its light, there's nothing there. We continue to observe that when the sun is farthest away from the moon is full of light. As the sun moves closer to the moon's light continues to be reduced. Therefore, there is an energy relationship between the sun and the moon. When the moon's light is reduced, the part of the moon with no light is void of anything. The closer the sun is to the moon loses more of its light. Where the moon loses its light, there is nothing except darkness during the night and blue sky during the day. The moon is a light which has no mass. Mainstream science's depiction of the moon as a spherical mass reflecting sunlight is not true and therefore is a lie. Next time we will look at the moon's lunar cycle on October 12, 2023. See you then.